How to share apps on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you how to share apps on WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and find the app you want to share. Once you've found the app, long press on the app icon until you see a menu pop up. We are looking for the option that says Share or Send. Now you'll see a list of apps you can share through. Scroll until you find WhatsApp and tap on it. Pick the contact or group you want to share the app with. You can select multiple contacts if you want to share it with more than one person. Once you've selected your contacts, you'll see a message window with the app's Google Play Store link or App Store link already pasted in. Just hit send, and your friends will get the link to download the app directly. And there you have it. Now you know that how to share apps on WhatsApp by simple method. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.